Hey there YouTube. It's been a long time since I've made a video. I haven't made any one-wheel videos, unboxing videos, how-to or anything. I apologize for that. Hopefully here in the coming future, I'm going to have at least 2 videos coming up. I've got the one we're doing here today and then another one planned in the works. So without further ado, my wife has been using the same little electric tea kettle thing for about 4 years. It's worked fantastically. We've got really good water and have not had to worry about cleaning it too often. It's almost always stayed just really clean, no like kind of calcium or sediment buildup inside of it. But what has happened is the paint has slowly deteriorated off the side of it. And that has unfortunately made the tea kettle not the most sightly thing on our counter. This tea kettle that I've got for the unboxing video really just came at the right time. So I'm kind of excited to do this. What we'll do is a couple of different things. I'm going to unbox it, show you what comes in the box, show you everything that's in the package. And then we'll probably just set both tea kettles side by side, click the go button at the same time, and just really see how long it takes for both of them. The one that's about 4 or 5 years old, how long it takes for that to heat up, and then the brand new one to see how long that heats up. So I hope you are ready for this video. I hope it is informative and helps you. And if it does, go ahead and give this video a like and a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you can. Subscribe, do whatever it takes to kind of help these videos make it out to people that you think might like it too. All right, without further ado, here we go. If you hear my kids playing outside, just know they're not screaming in pain, they're just having a lot of fun. Hopefully this doesn't take multiple takes. Actually, before I even open this, this is the tea kettle my wife currently uses. It works good. Let's get some water in it right now. The cork is actually held up fairly well. This one is getting a little bit wobbly here on the top. While it all seems good and fine and dandy, as you can tell the inside of this, there is no sediment anywhere on the inside of here, which is fantastic. It's a testament actually to our city water. It's fantastic. I really don't like paying the bill that we pay, but again, it's good water. You just set it on here, hit the button, you see the little red light comes on, and that's it. It's probably the most simplest device that we have in the house. I don't plan on heating any water just yet. And I'm going to say that this looks fairly similar. It does have a all one-piece handle. Hopefully there's not too much light there. This box is a little bit damaged in shipping or something. It's got a little nick here. Other than that, the rest of the packaging is fairly good. But this is Hosome, H-O-S-O-M-E. And go ahead and get this box opened up, find out what's in here. Got the electric gooseneck kettle user manual. It's amazing how much instructions they actually put. Spout, lid, LED, control buttons, handle, base, indicator light, and then some technical information, troubleshooting. Free warranty, 24 months. Activate your warranty. We contact us within 14 days. So that's good. Our tea kettle over here has lasted us like I said, like 4 years or so now, and has never given us trouble. I don't see why a tea kettle would ever give somebody any kind of trouble. There's no real moving parts on it. And that's it. That's all that comes in the box. Nothing else. We'll get the base out first. Pretty simple. It's got a little protector thing so you don't damage your spout. Look-wise, same size. So it says max 1 liter. I assume that's the same on this one. Now there is a slight difference. Is I've got a little overflow spout on the inside of this one. I don't know if you can see it there. Get that real close. A little overflow spout that if you do get too much water in here, it actually like goes up, and unfortunately it pours out the bottom. There's a little drain on the bottom. We have had that happen before if we put too much water in. I don't see that on this one. So here, if you look, if you put too much water in this one, it may actually just come out the gooseneck. Where mine, this one does not do that. So this base is really, really light plastic. These two actually look identical when you hold the cords up the same way. They both same patterns and everything. And just in case I was blocking the camera, this does sit on here. Huh. So the bases are interchangeable and are both of them that we have. Set this one on. Looks nice. So it does have a digital display here. It is telling us, I believe, what the temperature is in the house, 86 degrees. That might actually be right. We don't have the AC on today. It feels good outside. I'm going to go ahead and put some water in both of these. And what we'll do is I'll stop the video and then I'll start it again. And we'll kind of just time it and see which one clicks first as far as when they get done. I have filled both of these up to the max fill line. I did quickly realize that this lid does not fit on here. It actually fell right through into it. Well, that's okay. But that was just kind of a funny thing that was not captured. So both lids are on. This still says 80 on it. This doesn't give a temperature, so I assume there's 4 buttons. So we got a minus, a plus, a power, and a thing that looks like steam. So my wife drinks black tea, which means I need a preset temperature of 203 to 212. That's really strange. I have 2 options. Keep warm is the steam button. So I guess what we're going to do is hit the power button. And I only have 82 for an option. All right, so it was on the first time. So 212 and on. So my water was 64 degrees. So a little bit of a learning curve here. So now this is flashing. I didn't know I'd actually have to read the instructions for this. Boil water, fill to min and max, make sure that the lid is firmly into position, plug the power, and the backlight of the power flickers, which indicates it's in standby. The LED display in real-time water temperature. Okay. If you have no requirement for temperature and just want to boil it, the default temperature, please press the power button to start boiling. All right. So this one's had a head start. Unfortunately, it's already hot. So we'll see if this can play catch up from the confusion here. And I'll be back. $171, $177. So there's a chance it could catch. Yep, done. So let's go ahead and check the temperature of this one. I'm going to fill the mug all the way up. So 197 quickly went down to 191. So it's probably just the temperature change in the glass. Water cools down kind of quick. I didn't realize that. This is up to 197. And again, as soon as it clicks, It's hot. Really, it's 201 now, 203. So the time delay, this actually probably does cook a minute, you know, a few seconds faster than the other. Kind of impressed. Here we go. So it's blinking. There's no audible click though. This one has a click sound that we hear. It's kind of how we recognize that it's done. There's no sound or click from this device. It's just silent, so you may have to just be in the room. So it says 210 on the little thermometer. We do have the vents at the handle side. That way, if you, as you pour, you're not $193, $192, $191. It's quickly cooling down. So it didn't come out of the spout quite. Went down to 185 already, 184. It's cooling down just because of the cup. But still 182. So it may not have heated up quite as high as this one. It did get the temperature fairly quickly. And it already says so. I clicked the button again, it's blinking, says it's already done, it's up to temperature. So it's recognizing that the water temperature is 212 degrees. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you want, like, subscribe, send me an email, leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this device if you've used it in the past. If you did use it and it's worked, awesome, let me know about it. If you used it and it didn't work, again, let me know about it. I want to hear. Thank you guys for watching. Ciao.